How to text this woman to get a date. I'm gonna tell you what to say. All right, guys, this is the fun part, right? Getting the date. Chances are you've approached her, you've swiped her, you've done one of these things, and now it's time to get this hot little mama, that's right, on a date. Now, if you are new here, babe, let me introduce myself. My name is Arica Angelo, and I have been a dating and relationship expert for this year will be 12 years. Gosh, can't believe I've been telling you guys what to do for 12 years, but here we are. So yeah, I know a thing or two about how to get her on a date with you. Now listen, if you have not taken my attraction quiz, that's where you want to start. If you're new to all of this, start with that attraction quiz. That's gonna let you know exactly what women think about you. So make sure you take that. So the first thing you're gonna do is this. You are going to send her a text message that says, "How's the prettiest girl I know doing?" Question mark. Yeah, flirt with her a little bit. Get her warmed up for this date. Every woman, every person wants to feel special. They want to feel seen. So when you call her the prettiest girl that you know, not only are you warming her up, but you're also making her feel special. And hey, there's not a gal out there that doesn't want to feel special. Next thing is you want to be a man with a plan. So it's not just like, hey, what are you doing? Like, let's go to Jack in the Box, because I think it'd be great. Now, some of you, if you're watching in a different country, you're like, what's Jack in the Box? It's like a McDonald's. It's a fast food chain. So, no, man, you want to have a plan. You want to have a destination in mind. So you say it like this. You say, hey, there's this place, destination, and I want to take you there. Basically, what you're doing is saying, listen, I already have a plan in mind. I have a game plan in action, ready to go, and this is what I want. I want to take you there. So this shows that you are a man in charge. And if you haven't been watching my stuff, then here's a secret. Women love men who are in charge. It makes you masculine. It shows us that you're a man. You're capable. You can make shit happen. Now, to solidify this, to seal the deal, to get this date, you say this. What's this Friday at 8 p.m. look like for you? So this is like you basically saying, I am determined to get you, girl. Like, it's not if or when, it's what day and what time. And some of you guys have written to me and you don't like being this straightforward, but listen, this is what women want. We want to feel that masculine raw string from you. We can't see you go out and like kill a bear anymore or go out and hunt for food for us. So, you know, the pickings are pretty slim in terms of being able to pick out like who's masculine and who's not. So, having a plan, a destination in mind, and saying, listen, like, I'm planning on seeing you at this time. It's not a question. It's a matter of this is happening and just when is this happening? When you handle it this way through text messaging, in her mind, she's like, this guy is a motherfucking boss. And women, they want to be with a boss. They don't want to be with some pansy, passive guys like, hey, can we like go out sometime? I'd really like to go out with you. What's your week like? What's your month like? What's your year like? Oh, you do want to go with me. I'll take you anywhere. Anywhere you want to go. You just say it and I'm just happy to take you. No, come on, listen. We're not trying to have that. So listen, send her the text that makes her feel special, right? Letting her know that she's the prettiest girl in your world. Second, have that destination in mind. Pick a place already. Make sure you have a backup in case she says, I don't eat fish, or I don't do this, or I don't do that. You have something else in mind. And the third thing is a time, which means there is expectation here. You expect her to go on this date with you. Now listen, if you have not subscribed to my channel, good looking. What are you waiting for? Because this is where it's cooking. That was so corny, I know. But make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, because guess what? When I have another video, it's gonna go ding, 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 ding. Arica Angelo has another video talking about where the sexy ladies at. So make sure you subscribe. And like I said, take that attraction quiz. That is the first place that you wanna start. My love, you're a good looking hunk of man, what it takes. So put it to action. And know this, you, my dear, you're already loved. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.